Hi, I'm Andre and I'm going to prove to you in 2 minutes that E3 is the best electrical CAD for your company. E3 is a powerful multidisciplinary ecosystem, which is why E3.series is a unique solution for electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic projects. Thanks to E3's full integration, any change made to the electrical schematic, like swapping a wire or a component, is automatically reflected in all project views, whether it's a panel or a harness, for example. With E3, you get automatic updates between schematics, harnesses, and panels, a standardized cloud-based component library, automatic error checking, 2D and 3D panel layout, harness design, integration with ERP, PLM, and mechanical CAD systems, and automatic generation of bills of materials, connections, labels, and terminal block spreadsheets as well. Project creation with options and variants, reduction of up to 65% in project time, and full support from the CIM-Team during the implementation phase. The main modules of E3 are E3 Schematic, the initial version for multi-wire electrical schematics with real intelligence, error checking, and automatic updates. E3 Panel, complete your project by assembling a 2D and 3D electrical panel simultaneously with realistic visualization of your equipment. E3 Cable, create intelligent and robust detailing of cables and wire harnesses. E3 Phone Board complements E3 Cable, focusing on speeding up the drawing process and documenting in full scale for manufacturing. The largest companies in the world use E3.series across a wide range of industry sectors: automation, machinery and equipment, special vehicles, agricultural, naval and railway, energy, and also aerospace. No matter the size of your project or industry, E3 adapts to your needs. And if you still have any questions, get in touch with one of our specialists.